Hello, guys. Good evening. Shailendra Mishra here with my podcast series. This is episode 15. We will talk about uh, the future of tech companies in post COVID era, and also how tech companies are tackling the situation in this COVID era also. And I am very happy that we will be talking to a company which is very close to this TEDutech area, and we are coining the world today TEDutech because if you specify some field, so its importance increases. So in edtech platform, edutech platforms, uh, there is a very vast category of technical education platforms, and by TEDutech we mean that technical education, online education platforms only. So here I welcome Sachin. Hi
हेलो।
Sachin, good
हेलो,
evening.
कैसे हो? गुड इवनिंग।
बढ़िया, आप बताओ।
बस 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 ठीक, आप बताओ।
तो बढ़िया
So
बढ़िया।
I'm so
So
glad
guys,
to be with you and so glad to talk to you,
yes,
especially. And before we begin, first of all, heartiest congratulations on the book launch.
thank
Uh,
you, thank you.
फैंटास्टिक सब्जेक्ट, फैंटास्टिक टॉपिक। मतलब भगवत गीता में बहुत कुछ है जानने के लिए,
Right.
एंड वो बिजनेस आउटलुक से
Mm-hmm.
ऐसा ऐसे चीजों को देखना is very important, and I think so book like a book like yours is very important for up and coming entrepreneurs.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सचिन, मेरा मोटिवेशन भी यही था कि मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स
Hmm,
अपनी यूथ के लिए कुछ ऐसा करूं जो इंडियन
hmm,
स्क्रिप्चर्स से ही रिलेटेड हो, कहीं बाहर से कुछ ना आया। So that is
hmm,
important, and I wanted to also tell our Indian youth that हमारे Indian novels and scriptures में ही ऐसा बहुत कुछ है जो अभी तक हम नहीं जानते, right? So,
exactly, exactly.
guys, welcome you all in Samvadam podcast series. This is episode 15. I am with Sachin Karikar, who is the founder of Mumbai Marine FC, and also he is very senior member of Techsperia company, which is
Yes,
innovation, and they are into product development also. They do workshops also, so mainly technical field.
yes,
And
yes,
he co-founded with Dhaval Kenya. Dhaval Kenya is
yes,
his friend. अभी हम उनके स्टोरी के भी बारे में सुनेंगे कि किस
yes,
तरीके से
yes.
ये दो मिले और किस तरीके से इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया। तो पहली
Hmm,
चीज हम यहाँ पे क्लियर करते हैं, ये सेशन स्टार्ट हो उससे पहले, कि जब हम टेडूटेक के बारे में बोलते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हम एडटेक फील्ड में जो टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, हम टेक्निकल एजुकेशन को कैसे ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बायजूस एंड अदर प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे वेदांतु है एंड ऑल, दे आर
hmm,
फोकसिंग ऑन ओनली एजुकेशनल कंटेंट, स्कूल कंटेंट,
hmm.
स्कूल
हाँ,
कंटेंट, कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम कंटेंट,
hmm.
आईएएस पीसीएस कैट।
Yes, yes,
they
yes.
are
Hmm.
they are not focusing on how we make student learn about robotics online, how we
Yes,
can make. So
yes.
when we talk about T-Edutech, so it
Hmm,
means that we are talking about the technical education online, how we can
hmm.
make technical education online.
Yes.
So here I start my podcast. Again, I welcome Sachin from the Tech
Thank you,
Xperia.
thank you,
I welcome
thank
you.
you. It's always
So
glad to be on your platform. So,
yeah. So, Sachin, my first question to you is how you met with Dhaval and how the journey of Tech Xperia started.
awesome. I and Dhaval have been school friends, very close friends. I like the same kindergarten, the same nursery school, and then the same school. 10 years together in the same school. Then I think during junior college it was I was in my junior college in Thane. He was in his diploma, but then we met again during our degree college, and that's where our journey started.
Right.
Basically, we had the idea, the vision to co-create something, co-create a platform for growth and development of technical education at large, and especially there are a lot of when we are coming into engineering, especially we are not aware of a lot of technical aspects, and that is really a shortcoming for us. And what happens is when you are going out there in the industry to work, definitely there's a lot of problems for you to cope up with the industry and the industry pressure. And also, once if you are not strong on your basics, then how will you build up on whatever you have learned in engineering? So the idea is stronger basics, and a more convenient, a more creative learning environment for technical education, basically. So we have
Right,
been
right.
doing a lot of robotics workshops on Arduino, and recently we also jumped into product development as well. And yeah, we are actually bringing the experience of product development as well to a lot of the kids who will be coming on our workshops as well. We are doing online courses as well. So yeah.
Great. And that's great story. So it always gets great when you start something with your friends. So the understanding part is always clear in that part. So if
Yes, yes, yes.
especially especially if they
Hmm.
are your school friends, so it becomes
Yeah,
very easy. So
yeah.
Sachin, my next question to you is how Techispedia is different from other edutech companies, and how
Hmm.
is your approach to guide students about technical education, and what form of technical education you provide? Like you provide the technical education in your lab also, or you go to their school also?
So we do both, and we try to tie up with your local classes as well as your local schools as well. And what we try to do is we try to create smaller batches as well. Like lot of the other organizations have larger batches, and what happens is usually students come there, get a certificate, go back home, and they have not revised on what they have learned. Like let's say robotics
Okay.
L1 or robotics L2 or whatever. And what we try to do is we try to create a smaller batch. We try to create a bond between the professor who is teaching and
Right.
the student there as well. And we
Mhm.
try to create that bond in such a way that the student is able to ask any doubt he or she has. So
Right.
basically, our idea is focused on one single child and not on uh, larger groups of children. And it should be easier for a child to ask a doubt as well.
Right.
Like in a batch of, let's say, 40, 50 students, or even in a batch of 20, 30 students as well, a lot of kids are
Right.
hesitant to ask doubts. Like even when I
Right.
was in my school, I was really
Mhm.
hesitant to ask a lot of doubts as well.
Right.
So
Right.
and so we understand that we have been there we have been unable to ask a lot of doubts in our school days as well, and we are trying that it's easier for children to ask doubts in at Tech
बिल्कुल
Expedia or
सचिन,
any learning
ये
learning
ये
course with
काफी
Tech Expedia.
ये काफी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट आपने ऐड किया
Hmm.
कि many students during their school days, even
Hmm.
जो बच्चे अच्छे भी होते हैं ये सोचते हैं कि हमें सब आता है।
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
कुछ बच्चे तो ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें लगता है कि हमें सब आता है, और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि
Hmm.
कैसे पूछे टीचर से। That
Hmm.
is the problem. So these are
Hmm.
two different kind of problem, and
Hmm.
these two different problems, these two problems are required to solve. अगर किसी
Hmm.
को अच्छे से कोई भी एजुकेशन, इट्स नॉट अबाउट टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, इट्स
Yeah,
अबाउट
yeah,
ऑल द एजुकेशन, कि
yeah.
आप अगर अपने डाउट्स नहीं पूछते तो इट इज लाइक यू कांट गेट होल नॉलेज
हाँ,
अबाउट द
that's the
टॉपिक। या
first blockade for a child's mind कि doubt कैसे
राइट।
पूछे, like अगर and हम
राइट।
लोग को वो hesitant, हम लोग वो इस बात के लिए रहते हैं कि अगर हम लोग ने वो
हाँ।
डाउट पूछा और वो डाउट बहुत फनी हुआ या वो डाउट बहुत सिली हुआ तो क्या होगा। एंड
राइट।
तो दिस इज सो हम लोग का वही है कि आर प्लेटफॉर्म इज देयर जस्ट टू क्रिएट अ बेटर लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द चाइल्ड शुड फील very friendly and
राइट।
should be
राइट।
very open to the professor as well. And
राइट। राइट।
that's one of the major problems that is there in the education system in India right now, and हम लोग वो
राइट। राइट।
combat करने का try कर रहे
एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर, मैं भी आपकी लैब में आया था, and I
हैं।
am very sure Techispedia is working towards that vision, and I
Yes,
am very sure
all
you
your
guys will
support.
get it. Yeah, you guys will get it. Actually, you guys, and guys, I want to inform all of you that Techispedia people are working on making, very simple electrical circuits for guiding school students about the electrical circuits,
Yeah.
how electrical components work. So Sachin, that is actually a great motivation for other edutech companies also. And I'm very happy to say you that keep doing it and keep like enhancing the wage so that student can learn more things in technical
Yes,
education.
yes. Hmm.
And now, guys, TechXperia actually give workshops on different topics like Arduino, PCB designing, manufacturing, robot
Hmm.
utility, and
Hmm.
so I can see on your website that you provide software and IT services also. So
Yes,
when you
yes, yes,
started
yes, yes.
and are you doing it on full mode or you are starting it
No, no, we are doing
just
it
for
on full mode itself, and so
yeah.
basically, what we are trying to offer is a a set of services for any client who comes to us, with even like
Okay,
us, even with a very small problem statement as well, and we want to create a all-around solution for it. So basically, what we are and when we are learning from our software solutions and hardware solutions, when we are developing a product, what
right,
we learn from there, we try to incorporate in our curriculum as well. And even when we are
right,
talking to the clients as well, what is happening is
right,
right now is that hardware individually and software individually cannot change the ecosystem. You need a combination of
right,
hardware and software both, and we are trying to do that.
right. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that is important because
Hmm.
if you make some software also, so you need some
Hmm.
hardware to marketize it, materialize it,
Yes,
and
yes.
that is very important. And Apple have great software, say A13 Bionic processor, but if
Hmm.
they don't have the hardware smartphone, so the use of that is not clear. So yeah, you are
Hmm.
right that hardware software combination is very important. And
Yeah, and especially when we talk about India
yeah,
is way ahead in terms of software, but the hardware is something
yeah,
where we are still lacking behind a lot
yeah,
of other countries, especially
yeah, struggling.
places in East Asia. And this is
Yeah,
one way of getting into the hardware ecosystem and trying to create a ecosystem for engineering at large in India itself. If we
right.
have the vision of making things in India, if you have the vision of making India, I think so.
Hmm.
Companies like ours and a lot of other companies out there
Atmanirbhar
in the
Bharat.
market should come together and create a lot more devices, a lot more hardware for India and Indians at large as well, and create a booming ecosystem, a booming market for international investors to come in here as well.
And you are right, Sachin. And
Hmm.
due to the standoff with China,
Hmm.
government is also focusing on Atmanirbhar Bharat. So
Yes.
we are very hopeful that many industries which produce electronic, which produce
Yes.
robotics component
Hmm.
will be set up in
Hmm.
India, and
Yes.
we as a technical education company can venture out into the
Hmm.
product hard product companies
Hmm.
also. So that is another great field to start a business in.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
And that's the vision. With the vision of Make in India itself, we have come out in the market with two new products, especially during this in the times of coronavirus as well.
we will
One is a
come to that
sanitization
point.
tunnel.
Come to that point.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
there is a special point of time for
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Okay.
So, how the COVID affected your business, Sachin? And what suggestion you can give to other, other companies who go to school for their, technical project education,
Hmm.
or they invite students to their lab for classes?
Hmm. So, firstly, it affected us in a way like a lot of other coaching classes and a lot of other classes itself have
Hmm.
been badly affected. We usually used to have our summer camps during May, and we
Hmm.
had to scrap all that. We had to move a lot of the things online as well,
Hmm.
and the issue for us was we could not take a lot of classroom education. So basically, the first major stumbling block was for us was in courses like hardware related courses like robotics and Arduino, where
Right, right,
you need the child should have access to that hardware.
right.
So even if we want to take any course online, so that was one of the pillars where we were badly affected. But
Yeah.
however, we were able to do a lot of software related courses as well. So,
Great.
it affected us badly, but we were able to cope up. But then we realized that not just lockdown, but coronavirus will change education a lot. It's
Right.
taking a
Right.
lot of the educational institutes and a lot of the education online. And previously, people who were reluctant to go online for education are now have to go online itself.
Yeah.
And
And
online education has a lot of its advantages as well, because
yeah.
a person in a rural area or even in a tier 3 city has the access to the best of coaching, the best of educators online
Right.
itself. So yeah, definitely it's happening, and that change is happening very rapidly.
And also, Sachin, parents don't want to send their student to school right now. The situation is very
Exactly,
bad
exactly.
if I talk about Delhi and Mumbai. So
Hmm.
my next question to connecting to previous question is how
Hmm.
Techispedia is developing their platform to cope up this, you know, situation, and
Yeah.
what all things you are taking up online.
So, what we are trying to do right now is, firstly, during May we had our coding workshops online. Now we
Okay.
are devising a curriculum where a child could work on a kit from home itself. So we are
Right.
creating a basic electronic kit itself, which will be out in the
Right.
market very soon. So that
Hmm.
kit would enable the child to easily learn basics of electronics
Right.
itself. So yeah,
I've
so
seen
right
that.
from using yes, so right from using basic things like resistors to buzzers and LEDs, and even 7 segment to looking at working of 7 segment display, a child will
Right.
be easily able to learn all that on our basic electronic kit, which will be out in the market really soon.
So when can we accept that? Expect the launch, Sachin?
So you can expect it by September or October.
Great, great, great. All the best
Yeah,
for
yeah.
that. And I have seen,
Thank
guys,
you.
that product that is very simple to understand. And I think the much students who are in the school till class
Yes.
8th or something, they will be
Hmm.
benefited a lot. So
Yes.
now my question to you is, uh, Sachin, कि
Hmm.
you are talking about you are working on some products. So
Yes.
what are those products and what specialty they contain?
So basically, we have taken the message of Atmanirbhar Bharat and especially Make in
Great.
India to our heart.
Hmm,
And
hmm.
one of the products that we have worked on is a sanitization tunnel. We have
Yeah,
already installed it at multiple places as well.
great,
And
great.
and we are also trying to create other set of hygiene and health related products as well.
Hmm.
And we are already out with our automatic sanitizer dispenser.
Yeah.
So it's out there on sale already, and we are trying to create a lot more other products which are hygiene related itself.
Okay, okay. So I
Yeah,
was also
and
checking
especially
your
looking at
product,
yeah.
that automatic hand dispenser. That was amazing.
Yes. Hmm. Thank you.
Great.
It's all your support.
Yeah, yeah. And I am always in your support. And the thing is that, so guys, the best part of the Techispedia team is all team members are down to earth. They are very down to earth. I met with Dhaval and Sachin in their office. So they are very down to earth, and that is the first you can sign off an experienced person, the knowledgeable person, that they are very down to earth, and I can see they are very good. I, I didn't see any of co-founder like them, very down to earth, and they also. So you guys have great skills also, skill sets also, and your professional behavior is very smooth.
Thanks a lot.
So
Thanks a lot.
yeah, I think Techispedia can gain the speed as much as possible, and this is also a possibility due to COVID. You can take the COVID as the opportunity to grow. Also,
Yes, this lockdown has made us learn a lot of things,
yeah.
and it has given us a lot of experiences. And I think so. This lockdown, this
Hmm.
coronavirus is shaping a generation of not just regular people who are being, but a generation of entrepreneurs who who will be able to tackle a lot of these situations better in the near future as
Right,
well.
right, great. So apart from these corona, you have made some products related to tackling the corona problem.
Yeah.
On which all products you were working before the corona period, like the different innovative fields?
So basically, we were mainly involved in education related products itself. But
Okay.
right now, this coronavirus has given us an opportunity to work in other lines
Hmm.
as well. One of the
Hmm.
products that we were working, as I said, was the board itself, the easy learning electronics board itself. But
Hmm.
apart from that, now this has we have tried to incorporate our learnings from other product developments, other education related developments in over here as well. And we have
Hmm.
tried to create a line of COVID related products as well. So
Great,
our
great.
core focus is to serve a lot of the people who are out there who don't have
Hmm.
a lot of options in these cases, and create
Hmm.
options for them, and try and each product development is a learning cycle for us, and a
Right,
lot of
right.
things that we learn there we
Hmm.
are able to incorporate into our curriculum, and we are able to tell our students as well, our former students and our current students as well. And
Great. Hmm.
what we are trying to do is create a product development cycle for ourselves as well, so that we can replicate that for other line of products. And maybe after this, hopefully this ends soon, but after this
Yeah.
we are able to bring
Hmm.
in a lot of other products as well from
I
other
would say, yeah, you are
backgrounds.
right. You are right, Sachin, that we should not only think the products according to Corona period also. We should
Yeah,
make our products so that we can use it post Corona period also.
yeah.
So that is
Exactly,
very
exactly.
important point.
Yes, yes.
So, my next question to you is, if someone want to inquire about the product development, someone
Hmm.
want to do
Hmm.
product development in your lab,
Hmm.
and if someone want consultation about a technical project from
Yeah.
Techispedia. So what is
Yes.
process of that, and are you dealing about it?
Yes, so you can directly connect to us on any of our social media platforms at the rate
Okay,
Tech
I will
Expedia
share
on
with them.
Twitter and Instagram, and
Yeah,
even on our Facebook page as well. We have
yeah.
our contact details also on our page, on our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. So you can
Hmm.
contact us on any time, and you can also mail to us at techexpedia@gmail.com as well to inquire
Right.
anything with regards to Tech Expedia, or anything
Great.
with regards to product development or any project that you have.
Yeah. And guys, I want to inform you that they have a good presence in all the social media platforms. And Techispedia people are very responsive. So whenever you respond to any social media platform, I think their team will guide you.
Hmm.
So apart from this technical conversation, that
Hmm.
conversation about technical education. So
Hmm.
Sachin runs a show also, the Karekar show, and
Yes.
he's the host of that. So can we know about it
Hmm.
a bit?
So I started the Karikar show in January with my friend Prasad Putkar. I think Prasad is
Okay,
already in watching this live as well, along with
great,
Dhawan.
great,
So yeah,
great.
so we started the show just to create. There are a lot of topics in news
Hmm.
that like there are a lot of news shows out there, but they are not talking sense, and they are
Yeah,
beating around the bush, but are not really talking about the topic at hand. So what we try
right,
to do is we try to break down a news story and try to present the facts, the proper
right.
facts, the proper figures, and we try not
Hmm.
to be biased about anything, or
Right.
completely unbiased, completely truthful, and we do
Hmm.
our own research, and we are not dependent on third hand sources and stuff like that. So what we try to do is we try
Sorry,
to
Sachin,
take
I'm
a topic
interrupting
and
you,
break it down
but
completely. Yeah, yeah.
whatever WhatsApp status you make, I try to understand those WhatsApp status, and sometime I end up to with going through all the Wikipedia pages, like one by one. Then I get understand sometime your memes and all. So that is amazing actually, and I like
Thank
your
you.
motivation to show
Thanks
people
a
the
lot.
real image of a news, and that is very
Yes.
important, I think, and
Hmm.
that is the need of the hour also, because we have seen
Yes.
that many media channels are talking the bullshit and all. That
Yeah.
is not accepted.
Yeah.
So yeah, you are right, and we need such shows, and I also
Yeah.
listen your show whenever I get time.
Thank you. Thank
So
you. Thank you.
Sachin, one more skill you have that I think I
Hmm.
don't know much people know. and whoever
Huh.
will be listening this podcast will know later that you are a good
Hmm.
footballer also, and you are part of Thane City
I'm not a
FC.
good footballer, but yeah, I have co-founded two football clubs as well. One is Thane City FC and Mumbai Marines. I'm actually a very
Yeah.
bad footballer, but I have a lot of interest in sports in India. And
Okay.
this is one way where I want to contribute to sports in India, and I want to really help sports grow and help, especially help a lot of footballers grow as well. So this is my
Great.
just my contribution back to my country, and one way of creating a better sporting ecosystem at large.
And Sachin, you have chosen very great sport because football is needed to be publicized in India because it is very limited to the East India, the Mohan Bagan Club in Kolkata, and the the Seven Sisters of our India. But
Hmm.
we really need to publicize it in in North India
Yes,
also.
yes,
It is popular
yes,
in Goa, Maharashtra, but we need to publicize in North India also. So that is very
yes,
important. And I think through your
yes.
motivation, when you will sharing the stories with and
Hmm.
whoever will be listening this podcast, so they will get
Hmm.
motivated if they want to start their career in football. So that is again a
Yes,
great
yes. I
motivation. Yeah.
Yes, I we need a lot of engineers, and this coronavirus has told us we need a lot more people in the field of medicine, doctors and
Mm,
nurses and healthcare workers, and especially we
mm,
also need a lot of sportsmen, sports people
mm.
out there, and a lot of people who are engaging in sports management as well. So my appeal to everyone is to
Right.
take up these fields, try something new, give
Right.
it a shot.
Mm,
Even if you
mm.
fail, don't back down. Just try and give it your shot. Never quit following your dreams.
Right. Right. So,
Yeah.
yeah, your motivation is very great, and I think the motivation and mindset is very important, and your mindset
Yes.
is very positive about it. And I think
Hmm.
so mindset is the very crucial plays a very crucial role if you are try to
Hmm.
attain some in your life.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's great. And I think you have in that series you started a new venture, Sports Doge.
Yes, yes. Sports Dose is my old venture actually. It's a
Okay, okay,
sports news website. So you
okay,
can, so we try to keep track of local and national level sports as well through Sports
okay.
Dose. And you
Hmm,
can visit sportsdose.com for any updates on any sport in India. And especially we try to cover a lot of local sports as well, and try to give a platform to a lot of local sports people as well.
and yeah, that is again a great initiative because people should know about the local news about the sports also because
Exactly,
when we
exactly,
con-
exactly.
when we connect the small points, then we get bigger line.
Hmm.
So that is
Yes,
important, that people should know about the local motivators from the
yes,
sports community.
yes.
Yeah. So so as a person, I want to know your uh, how you guys manage your team, how you manage your team with Dhaval. So,
So
what is your strategy? Are you using some OKR type strategy, or you have something like if some projects came to your company? So, what strategy you follow?
So basically, the idea here is to first of all, the idea here is with Mumbai Marines, we have a lot of good partners. Like we have people like Akash and Vishal who have
Hmm,
been scouting a lot of players out there, and we try to scout players through Mumbai Marines as well. And
hmm,
basically, the idea is to give them a platform. Basically, that's the main
hmm.
thing here. A lot of
Okay,
there are a lot of talented players out there, but they don't have a very good platform, and
right,
this is one way of giving them a platform itself.
great. Yeah,
Yeah.
platform is very important because we have seen in India,
Yes.
and there are very movies also that without
Hmm.
getting a platform, the talented people also
Hmm.
not get successful. So that is very
Yes.
important that people
Hmm.
should at least get platform, the talented people.
Yes,
So,
especially, and
uh,
anyone talented needs to get a platform of any sort. Like if you are in your
right.
engineering field, we try to do that with Tech Expedia. If you are in sports, we try to
Hmm,
do that with Mumbai Marines as well.
hmm, hmm. Great, great. So, yeah, great. And yeah, this is kind of initiative and motivation one should
Hmm.
go with. if someone want to start a career in any field, not only sports field, but any field, if someone want to start their career,
Yeah.
so motivation should be very important. So
Yeah.
there is a, you run a, a podcast also, the Karikar Show, and
Yeah.
there have been a very important social issue that is called mental health nowadays,
Yeah.
and there have
Hmm.
been some events in Mumbai
Hmm.
also with some actors. I will not take the
Hmm.
name of the actor, but
Hmm.
that was very disappointing. So
Yeah.
what you think as an entrepreneur, how to tackle the, entrepreneur also holds very much, pressure due to
Hmm.
business, to different things.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
how Sachin as a person handles it, and how Sachin and Dhaval as the
Hmm.
main lead handles the pressure
Hmm.
of tech experience.
So there is a lot of pressure. Definitely, there is a lot of pressure. But
Right,
definitely, we try to keep our cool. We try. We if there is any problem or anything of sorts, we try to talk it out. And
hmm,
basically, if and even in the worst case, if you feel really down at some point, if you really
hmm,
feel you just need to take a step back, analyze
right,
everything that is happening in front of you. If anything is going wrong, take
right,
a step back, maybe even take a little bit of break,
right,
think about it
right,
at peace and at length, and then probably swoop right in. So what we
right,
try to do is we try to see the bigger picture every time,
hmm,
and
hmm,
we try and whenever there's a problem, if it's with a student or if it's with a client in terms of product development or any project related stuff, we
hmm,
try to talk it out, not just between amongst ourselves, but we try, in case of a child, we try to talk to their parents and the child, him or herself as well. And we in terms of our clients as well, we try to talk to the clients as well. We try to
right,
understand the problem at large as well. So
right,
definitely mental health is a very major issue, and we need, every time we need some form of support as well. So definitely
right.
you need to talk to an expert about this, about mental health issues, if you are feeling depressed or anything as well. So I think so there is one problem in India right now is that a lot of people are not taking mental health seriously. We need to take that
Right, right.
very seriously as well.
Because in foreign countries, especially USA, people take the mental
Hmm.
health problem as a very serious issue. But in
Yeah.
India, people say यार ये हमेशा यार कुछ ना कुछ डिमोटिवेटिंग बोलता रहता है. अगर कोई
हाँ.
मेंटल हेल्थ की बात करे तो कहेंगे यार मतलब मजाक में ले लेते हैं. दोस्त
हाँ.
यार भी
Exactly.
मजाक में ले लेते हैं. फैमिली भी मजाक में
Exactly.
ले लेते हैं. सब कोई मजाक में ले
Exactly.
लेते हैं. तो दैट इज
Hmm.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि उसे मजाक में ना लेके उसको सीरियसली उस चीज को हैंडल किया जाए. जहां
Hmm.
पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है उसको टैकल किया जाए. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू सेड वेरी राइट पॉइंट दैट
या एंड
व्हेन
अगर कभी एक्सपर्ट हेल्प की जरूरत भी पड़े तो आई
राइट
टेल दैट टू ऑल माय फेलो एंड entrepreneurs and all the people who are listening to the podcast or all the people who I even know कि taking any help of any expert, any psychiatrist
राइट
is not bad or not wrong. Go out there, take the support,
राइट
because once you clear any wrong thought processes in your mind, you
राइट
can come back stronger as well.
राइट राइट यू आर राइट बिकॉज yeah, there is a stigma also that people should don't want to go to psychiatrist or someone
Yes,
mental health.
yes, exactly, exactly.
So that stigma should also be avoided. You are right.
Yeah, yeah.
Kim, I like all your thoughts, and that is one of
Thank
the
you.
best podcasts I
Thank
have
you.
done. And
Thank you.
I want to inform from this platform that we are starting a digital magazine of Samvadam, the talk show, and you can subscribe the digital magazine with a very nominal price. And do so in that digital magazine, in every edition, we will have 5 interviews in word form, so you can read the interviews. And
Yes.
I want to
And
inform you, Sachin, that I will take your interview in the first edition only.
thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a
And
lot.
whenever the COVID situation will get over, we will come
Yes.
into the print version also. And
That's fantastic.
on the first cover, we are bringing a very great personality. I will announce that personality very soon. But that
Hmm.
is very great personality, and we are starting with a very good motivation because
That's fantastic.
there are podcasts, there are the different mediums, but if your voice can be heard to the local
Hmm.
tier 3 cities, so it should come into the print version also, and also
Yes.
in the web version. So that
Yeah.
is important, the content version. So that's why we are starting this digital magazine, because this is a corona period, so we can't launch it offline. They
Hmm.
had publisher and all, but we have to halt it due to COVID. So
Hmm.
surely we will start it offline when COVID situation will get over a bit. And
Yes.
but in first digital magazine edition, I will keep your this the
Thank you.
podcast text. And
Thanks a lot.
uh,
That's my that's a major this for me. Major achievement for me that I'm coming in a magazine interview as well.
and we Story Mirror is supporting us in that initiative. So
That's
Story Mirror is
fantastic.
the partner.
That's
So
fantastic.
Tim, my probably one of the last question to you is, many entrepreneurs will be listening this podcast, or through the digital magazine,
Hmm.
many entrepreneurs will be reading
Hmm.
this conversation.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
what 4 or 5 points you can give to the some entrepreneurs who are just starting their business? They are just starting their business because these are very hard times. So what
Hmm.
4 or 5 advices you want to give to the fellow entrepreneurs who are just starting from your life experience?
First thing is never give up. There will be a lot of shortcomings. There will be, there will be a lot of failures out there, and there will be a lot of people who will try to continuously discourage you. But never give up.
Right.
Uh, yeah, stay there. Stay patient. Whatever work you are doing, it will
Hmm.
reap a lot of rewards for you. But it will
Right.
definitely take some time. But be patient. The right time will come. Second thing is, if you are going into entrepreneurship, just don't think about yourself, but you are also doing a service to your nation as well. The nation, India needs a lot more entrepreneurs, a lot more people to take up initiatives, and a lot
Right.
more people to work hard for the development of the nation as well. So when you are becoming an entrepreneur, it's not just a service to yourself and your dreams, but it's also
Hmm.
a service to your nation as well, because our
Hmm.
nation needs this right now. And
Right.
yes, and always be ready for anything that comes your way, and keep fighting.
And yeah, you are right. You are right, Sachin. And due to India-China standoff, because
Hmm.
our ancestors also say,
Hmm.
विश्व में भी हमें अमृत ढूंढना चाहिए. हमारे
हाँ,
पूर्वज कहते हैं कि विश्व में भी हमें अमृत ढूंढना चाहिए. तो
हाँ,
जो इंडिया चाइना के बीच हमारे स्टैंड ऑफ है, इसमें भी हम पॉजिटिव क्या ले जा सकते हैं? हम पॉजिटिव यही ले जा सकते हैं कि जो चाइनीज कंपनीज बहुत कम बहुत कम
hmm,
बहुत कम वैल्यू में टेंडर ले जाती है, तो
hmm,
why not Indian companies can get that tender?
yes,
Why
hmm,
not we can make our drone components here in India?
exactly,
Why
hmm,
not we can manufacture the electronics here?
exactly,
All the possibilities. And if you heard the speech of Prime Minister on the Dharma Chakra Parivartan Divas, that was on
yes,
2nd or 3rd July, he said
yes,
that this is very important, that our startups should come ahead. Okay, our
yes,
startups,
totally,
our our MSMEs should come ahead, and government is supporting a lot also them,
hmm,
that we should be Atmanirbhar in every case.
yes,
In every field, we should
yes,
be Atmanirbhar. And
vocal for local,
yeah, vocal for local. Because so Prime Minister also said this, that if you are getting something in at very lower price in your village only, you should buy from village. Okay,
hmm,
if you are not getting it in your village, then you should move to district. Okay,
yes,
when you're not getting in your district, then you should go in state, and then country, and then outside country. So this should be the approach. So there
yes,
are many layers of vocal for local.
hmm,
So that is very important, that गांव से शुरू
hmm,
करके हम तब कंट्री के बाहर का सोचें, गांव
हाँ,
से स्टार्ट करें. कॉटन पहले हम अपने गांव में देखें, गांव में अच्छा कॉटन नहीं मिल रहा है, तब जिले में देखें, जिले में नहीं मिल रहा है तो राज्य में देखें, राज्य में नहीं मिल रहा
hmm,
है तो देश में देखें, और जब
hmm,
देश में भी ना मिले तो देश से बाहर देखें. So
hmm,
that is one of the best approaches. And I think, Sachin, it can't be, there can't be a better time than this.
Yes.
Uh, this time is very opportunistic, and
Yes.
government is also supporting the startup. So I
Yes.
think we should reap this time and this
Hmm.
opportunities, and
Yes.
I yeah.
And appeal to my fellow entrepreneurs: step in, do your service, and this is just and you are not just doing a service to yourself but the nation and people who are along with you as well, your employees and your friends as
Right,
well, your partners as well. So definitely jump in,
right,
take these risks, and give it a shot. uh, Never always take that shot, always take that opportunity there,
right.
and there's a big opportunity out there, and definitely
मैं
do it.
मैं अपने हर सेशन में 3 टाइप के लोगों की बात करता हूँ, और मैंने अपनी बुक
Hmm.
गीता फॉर बिजनेस में भी उसे मेंशन किया है। तो जैसे सच में आपने बात की कि
Hmm.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज को एक्सेप्ट करने वाले लोग बहुत कम होते हैं,
Hmm.
तो
Exactly.
पहले टाइप के ये लोग होते हैं जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज को देखते हैं बट काम
Hmm.
स्टार्ट ही नहीं करते कि क्या
हाँ.
होगा, कैसे होगा, ये
Hmm.
सोचते हुए।
Hmm.
सेकंड टाइप के वो लोग होते हैं जो काम स्टार्ट करते हैं लेकिन बीच में प्रॉब्लम आई तो रुक जाते हैं।
हाँ.
तो दो आर सेकंड कैटेगरी।
Hmm.
एंड द थर्ड कैटेगरी इज जो प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट को देखते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज को देखते हैं, उस पर काम करते हैं, प्रॉब्लम
Hmm.
आती आती है उसे टैकल करते हैं, रास्ता चेंज करना होता है उसे
Yes.
करते हैं, लेकिन वो
Hmm.
अपने एंड मोटिव तक पहुंचते हैं। एंड आई
हाँ.
थिंक सचिन, you are doing the same thing with your all your products and all your services, and I'm very
Hmm.
hopeful that we can hear some your vision coming true in coming years or months.
Yes.
I wish all
I
the
hope so.
best for Tech
Yes.
Expedia.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Uh, and also one more request. I need Geeta for Business ka signed copy from you as
sure,
well.
sure, sure, sure.
Yeah.
That will come to your
Yes.
address, and I will send you one extra copy also, so that you can show to your friends
Thank
and
you. Thank you.
whoever want. And yeah,
Thank you.
so very nice talking to you, Sachin. And
The pleasure
uh,
is all mine.
yeah, any last message if you want to tell to all our viewers and who will be listening the podcast or going to our conversation? So you are welcome.
Nothing. Just keep following your dreams. Definitely, there is, and you can always do everything that you dream of. Definitely, and just give it a shot. Give it a shot
Right.
always, and be ready and do it.
And Sachin, I like your one more thing that you always speak very short and crisp,
Hmm.
and you speak a little, but your line have so much motivation. All the your
Thank you.
short
Thank you.
line only have a lot of motivation. And thank you so
Hmm.
much for joining my podcast. So guys, this was Samvadam Podcast Series, episode 15 with Sachin Karikar from Tech Expedia. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.